Good morning, students. How are you today? I'm great. I hope you are feeling fit today. Before starting the lesson, let's pray together. Start now. Finish. Now, I will call your names. When I call your names, please say present if you are here and say absent if your friend is not here. Okay. Students, today we will continue the Chapter 2 material on velocity and discharge in Class 5. Last week we learned about the relation between unit of time and day and unit of distance and speed. Today we will learn about determining time, distance and speed and how to solve problems related to this material. Do you know what time, distance and speed are? That's right. Time is related to departure, travel times, rest time, and arrival at the destination. How to determine travel time by using the formula time is equal distance over speed. Meanwhile, distance is the length or extent of the journey made between two places. For example, the length of distance route between Madiun and Malang is 184 kilometers, meaning that the distance between the cities of Madiun and Malang is 184 kilometers. The trick to determining the distance traveled is distance is equal speed times time. While speed is the time it takes to cover a certain distance in a certain time. This means the speed is always related to time and distance. For example, a speed of 60 km per hour means 60 kilometers traveled in 1 hour. How to determine speed with the formula? Speed is equal distance over time. Here I have an example problem on how to determine time, distance and speed. Take a look at the following problems and let's work it out together. The first question is Mr. Ahmad drove a car from Yogyakarta to Semarang with an average speed of 45 km per hour. He left at its 55 to 7 am and arrived at its 5 to 11 am. What is the distance between Yogyakarta and Semarang? To solve story problems, the first way is to write what is known and ask in the problems. Known is equal, average speed is equal 45 km per hour. Travel time from its 55 to 7 am to its 50 to 11 am. So, its 5 to 11 minus its 55 to 7 is equal is 20 past 3 p.m. or 3/3 hour. Find the distance between the city of Yogyakarta and the city of Semarang. Since the speed and travel time are already known, then how to determining the distance between the two cities using the formula distance is equal speed times time. is equal 45 times 3/3 is equal 45 times 10/3. So 10/3 is the result of simplifying 3/3 of 3 times 3 times 1 is equal 10. So the numerator becomes 10 and the denominator remains 3 is equal 450 over 3 is 115. So the distance between the city of Yogyakarta and the city of Semarang is 150 kilometers. Then the second question is the distance between cities A and B is 30 kilometers. At 7 o'clock, Bima with cycling departed from city A with an average speed of 12 kilometers per hour. At what time did he arrive in city B? To answer the question, we must first determine the length of travel time by using the formula. Travel time is equal distance over speed times 1 hour is equal 30 kilometers over 12 kilometers times 1 hour is equal to half hour. Then the length of time Bima travel is 2 hours 30 minutes or 2 hours and 30 minutes. So it could be known when Bima arrived in city B is equal at 7 o'clock plus 2 hours and 30 minutes is equal it's 10:30. So Bima arrived in city B at it's 10:30. Students, do you understand? Good. Because our study time is over and you have got my points, I will give you an assignment to submit tomorrow. Try to do assignment 5 and do the practice question on pages 1 to 5. If you find any difficulties, you should contact me. Good luck! And we finish the lesson with prayer. Prayer star. Finish. See you soon, students. Bye-bye.